Want to get your friends' opinions on a fun topic, settle a debate, or just have a little fun on Snapchat? This video will show you how to create polls on Snapchat, making it easy to engage your audience and gather their thoughts. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Open the camera screen just like you would to take a picture or video. Take a picture or a video where you want to add the poll. After you take the picture or video, you will reach this edit zone. Just tap on the sticker icon from the right. On the top part, you see an option called Poll. Tap it. Now, poll stickers will appear at the center with an Ask a Question section above them, so you can enter the question you want to ask in the poll. Type your poll question. Make it short, clear, and engaging. You can also change the poll sticker emojis by tapping on them and then choosing the appropriate emoji from the emoji panel. Once you're happy with your poll, tap the blue arrow button to send it to your story or a specific friend. Now that you know how to create polls on Snapchat, you can engage your friends and gather their opinions on any topic. Have fun with it, experiment with different questions, and see what your friends have to say. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.